Is your Fitbit Luxe not counting steps accurately? Several factors can be at play. Common causes include software glitches, outdated firmware, low battery, incorrect wearing of the device, or issues with syncing. In some cases, it might be a hardware fault, particularly with older devices manufactured before 2023 due to potential accelerometer drift. We'll explore these issues and how to resolve them. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, restart your Fitbit Luxe. You can usually do this through the device's settings menu or the Fitbit app. Next, ensure your device is properly synced with the Fitbit app on your smartphone or tablet. A stable Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth 5.0 or higher is recommended, is crucial for syncing. Check your internet connection as well. Sometimes a simple sync resolves the issue. Outdated software can cause numerous problems, including inaccurate step counting. Make sure your Fitbit Luxe has the latest firmware. Check for updates in the Fitbit app. Similarly, ensure you're using the latest version of the Fitbit app itself. Google regularly releases updates that address bugs and improve performance, including step tracking accuracy. As of mid-2025, the latest firmware was version 4.5.1 and the Fitbit app was 3.8 plus. The Fitbit Luxe relies on your personal information to accurately count steps. Review your profile settings in the Fitbit app, including your height, weight, and stride length. Inaccurate data here can lead to undercounting or overcounting steps. Recalibrating your stride length might be necessary, especially after a software update or if you notice significant discrepancies in step counts compared to other methods. How you wear your Fitbit Luxe can influence its accuracy. The device needs proper contact with your wrist to detect motion patterns for step counting. Ensure the device is worn snugly on your wrist, but not too tight. A loose fit can cause gaps that prevent proper motion detection. Too tight of a fit can compress the sensors and interfere with movement detection. Find a comfortable balance where the device stays secure but allows natural motion. Experiment with wearing it slightly higher or lower on your wrist to see if it improves step counting. Different positions may provide better sensor contact for your activity patterns. Also, check that the band is properly fastened. Make sure all clasps are securely closed to prevent movement during activity. Improper wearing is a common cause of step counting issues, accounting for approximately 80% of problems, according to experts. Low battery levels can activate power-saving modes in your Fitbit Luxe, which reduce the activity of sensors like the accelerometer and gyroscope. This reduction in sensor responsiveness can lead to inaccurate step counting, as the device conserves power by limiting motion detection. To prevent this issue, maintain your Fitbit Luxe's battery charge. Always aim to fully charge the device before attempting any troubleshooting for step counting problems. Remember that the Fitbit Luxe typically provides about 5 days of battery life under normal use. Regular charging habits will help ensure consistent performance. By keeping your device charged, you maintain optimal function of the accelerometer and gyroscope, which are essential for accurate step tracking. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your Fitbit Luxe's step counting issues, it's time to try more advanced solutions. Consider performing a factory reset on your device. This will erase all your stored data and return the Fitbit Luxe to its original factory settings, which can resolve deep software glitches that simpler fixes couldn't address. To perform a factory reset, go to the official Fitbit support website and search for instructions specific to the Luxe model. The process involves accessing the device settings through the app and confirming the reset, but always back up your data first, as it will be permanently deleted. If the factory reset doesn't work, contact Fitbit support as your final option. Their technical team can offer additional guidance or determine if there's a hardware malfunction with your device. Especially important, if your Fitbit Luxe was manufactured before 2023, it might be affected by Google's accelerometer drift recall program. Support can check your device's serial number and arrange for a free replacement if eligible. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve the majority of persistent step counting problems with your Fitbit Luxe. If issues continue after trying everything, the device may need professional repair or replacement. Now let's explore the technology behind the Fitbit Luxe and emerging trends in wearable devices. The Fitbit Luxe uses a three-axis accelerometer and gyroscope to detect movement patterns that indicate walking or running. Recent advancements incorporate AI and machine learning algorithms that analyze your unique gait patterns, reducing false positives and improving overall accuracy. Looking ahead, future trends include real time step validation through AI that can predict and correct counting errors, as well as deeper integration with broader health monitoring platforms. Keep in mind that environmental factors like extreme temperatures and moisture can impact sensor performance and step counting accuracy. Finally, stay informed about software updates and potential recall programs to ensure your Fitbit Luxe continues working correctly. By understanding the technology and staying current with updates, you'll get the most out of your fitness tracking experience.